And now, First Warn 5 weather with meteorologist Samara Kokinos.
Welcome back to Channel 5 News this morning. Your time is 6:44 and we are seeing the sun out there on the horizon. You can see the clouds out there too. A little bit thick this morning, but you can see the little bit of gold there along the edge of that one cloud, indicating that, yeah, the sun is up and it is definitely going to start heating us up. Now, from some of these clouds, we are seeing some rain. So let's go back over to the map. The First Warn 5 Doppler network shows an occasional brief shower moving to the north. Mainly along the coastline this morning, so you may get a little bit of light rain as it passes by, and it'll be very, very quick. You can see the activity moving very quickly to the north and staying mainly along the coastline and over the bay. But for the most part, a mainly dry forecast for the valley today and tomorrow. By Thursday, however, the door opens for maybe an occasional shower or thunderstorm to develop along the sea breeze front each afternoon through the end of the work week. It's not going to be long-lived, but hey, 20% is better than no rain at all. Looking at your temperature trend, we right now are pretty warm out there, but this is nothing when you compare it to the heat where we're headed this afternoon. We're at 80 degrees in Brownsville and Wesco, 81 in Harlingen to 82 in McAllen. The wind is out of the southeast on average about 10 or 15 miles per hour, but notice that it'll stay relatively light over the next couple of hours before picking back up mid-morning and remaining elevated for the majority of the day. 15 to 20 mile per hour wind speeds are what you can expect, with gusts up near 28 and 30 miles per hour. There will be plenty of sunshine in the forecast as well as the heat. And let me show you, by noon, we'll be up near 94, feeling a lot like 105 to 110, maybe even hotter than that for several hours this afternoon. So remember to take breaks in the shade frequently and drink lots of water so you can prevent heat-related illness. The heat is definitely on over the next several days. Looking across Texas, some storms are moving through Dallas to the south and east headed toward the coast, but that's pretty much it. High pressure will be strong enough to kind of keep us dry, and then it'll shift back toward the west over the next couple of days. And that will allow eventually for those showers to pick up later on this work week. But until then, heat indices will range 105 to 110 each afternoon. A few showers are possible Thursday and Friday, but even then your rain chances are slim, near 20%. So not everybody will get that rain, but it will definitely be hot and humid all across the valley well into the weekend. By early next week, it looks like we're getting closer back to the triple-digit mark. We're tracking the tropics on Channel 5 News this morning. It's quiet in the Gulf. Over in the Atlantic, we're watching this area that'll make its way west, and as it does, it could turn into something tropical in the next couple of days. So we will be watching for that development. Now, back here in the Pacific, on the other side of Mexico, we're looking at 3 areas of concern that'll make their way west, and as they do have the potential to turn into something tropical, but they're going away from Mexico, away from the Rio Grande Valley. No major cause for concern for us here in the valley or in Mexico. So small craft should use caution while you're out there on the bay or the seas today. We will have choppy bay water. Seas will average 2 to 4 feet. Those winds will be whipping southeast winds at 15 to 20 miles per hour. Along the coast, 89 degrees, 99 when you get into Wesco, to 102 and 103 for you in Edinburg, McAllen, and Rio Grande City. And then later on this evening for fireworks, 86 degrees will be your temperature. It'll still be a little bit breezy, so be careful while handling fireworks. And then overnight, 78 will eventually be your overnight low. 97, partly sunny tomorrow. A few showers are possible for Thursday and Friday. Because of the cloud cover and the rain, it'll keep temperatures closer to about 96 degrees. We'll be at 97 and 98 as we head into the weekend. Early next week, mainly dry near 99. Your overnight lows mid to upper 70s for the next 7 nights. That's your updated First Warn 5 forecast.